Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Now the Lidl Christmas offer on Airfix and Revell kits is now open. I've just nipped down to my store and when I got there, I was in for a bit of a surprise. So here I am in Lidl, first day of the new offer. Remember, we told you what was everything, but there's two new kits I didn't announce. Following that, T1 in the RAF trainer markings and the Duck W, everyone's favourite amphibian. Looking forward to making those. Also in the quick build, they did say they were doing the BF109, so you get that with your Spitfire to play with. And I don't think they have the Jaguar E-Pace either, but I-Pace, so but there we go. The other thing is, in the Revell set, there's a Porsche 934, the racing Porsche 911 essentially. No E-Type Jaguar that I can see, however, but all the ships are there, so everything's good. So they have swapped out some of the offers. To recap, from the Airfix gift set range, I saw the Following T1 jet trainer and the DUKW amphibious vehicle that were not announced, but I couldn't see the Tiger Moth or the Willis Jeep. Now these are not last minute replacements, they're made to order, as we can tell because there are no flying hours tokens on the box. These kits don't have them as the margins on selling them are very, very low, and the anticipated redemption rate mean that Airfix wouldn't make any money on them. Likewise, in the quick builds, there was a Messerschmitt BF109, fairly logical as there's a Spitfire, and a Jaguar I-Pace. Missing from the racks were the Apache helicopter and the Lamborghini Aventador. Over with Revell, there was the 1/24 scale Porsche 934 RSR race car, but no Jaguar E-Type. All of the ships were as advertised. So a bit of a mix-up between the marketing and buying departments, I suspect, but that's what I saw in store anyway, on the first day of the offer. Remember, Airfix gift sets are $6.99 each, Airfix quick builds are $8.99 each, the Revell 1/24 scale cars are $19.99 each, as are the 3 ships on offer. Anyway, that's what I saw in store today. If you've seen different, do please let me know in the comments box below. That's it for the moment. If there are any new deals anywhere, I'll let you know. In any case, thank you so very much for watching. Hope to see you again very soon. Take good care now and goodbye.